Hello guys, welcome back. It's Eric and today we have a package, but not just any package. It's a 1/200 scale model of the easyjet Airbus A319. So let's get straight to it and start opening this thing up. Right, let's set this thing down and let's see. Let's open it up, I guess. Looking at this thing, it's in bubble wrapping, bigger than expected, obviously. But wow, look at this. It's actually kind of light. I thought it'd be a bit heavier, but it's light. Lighter than what I expected. So we'll get this open up and take a good look at the model itself. All right, bubble wrap has been removed, and now we can get to opening the model. But first things first, we cannot actually touch the model without our gloves, of course. So I'm gonna need. So now for the moment of truth to see what is inside this packaging. You just put you down there. Wow, look at that. So they actually come with a stand. Got in easyjet Airbus A319 in 1/200 scale stand. Put that there. We got our landing gear over there, and then we have the actual model itself. And might I just say, wow, this thing is actually pretty heavy, but like, just okay, fix that. Wow, look at that. This thing is super realistic. Like, wow. I've never had a model this realistic, and it's just, you got the beacon lights, you got the antennas, you got the emergency exit doors, 2 emergency exit doors, which is accurate. There's your registration, Golf, Echo, Zulu, Alpha, India, and you got a CFM 56 engines. Wow. Very nice model. Let's get the rest of the parts on and then see what it looks like. This is the model built. The gears that I put on, they're actually magnetic, so they magnetically stick on. Like, just wow. So we're gonna turn this thing around just to get it a nice little look. I give this model a 10 out of 10. The size scale with my 1/400, which is this one, and then my 1/200. So yeah, this one's quite bigger. So I guess I'll be leaving my model like this, as this looks pretty cool, to be honest. Just wow. This thing dwarfs this in size. Look at that. Small easyjet Airbus A319 with the old livery, and we got our bigger and newer livery of the easyjet Airbus A319 there. So there it is, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to comment on your thoughts on what you think of this plane model specifically, and I'll see you in a future video.